In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of tarot and its significance in self-discovery. Tarot, with its rich history and symbolism, serves as a profound tool for gaining deep insights into our lives. By understanding the basics of tarot and its origins, we lay the foundation for using it as a means of self-reflection and personal growth. The imagery and meanings behind each card offer a mirror to our innermost thoughts and emotions, guiding us towards a better understanding of ourselves and our life paths. Choosing your first tarot deck is a personal and significant decision on your journey of self-discovery. We will provide guidance on exploring the various types of tarot decks available, each with its unique symbolism and aesthetic. Understanding the different themes and artistic styles of decks can help you connect on a deeper level with the cards. It's essential to choose a deck that resonates with your intuition and speaks to your inner self. Finding a deck that aligns with your energy and spiritual connection can enhance your tarot readings and self-exploration. Understanding the meanings of tarot cards, both major and minor arcana, is essential for interpreting their guidance in readings. We will dissect the symbolism and significance of each card, empowering you to decode their messages accurately. By learning how to interpret the cards within the context of a reading, you can uncover hidden truths about yourself and your life path. The guidance provided by tarot cards offers a reflective lens through which you can gain deeper insights into your thoughts, emotions, and decisions, guiding you on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Performing tarot readings for self-reflection allows you to tap into the wisdom and guidance of the cards to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. We will demonstrate a simple yet powerful method of conducting a tarot reading focused on self-exploration. Through this process, the cards act as a mirror, reflecting your inner thoughts, feelings, and actions back to you. By interpreting the cards' messages with an open mind, you can uncover hidden truths, gain clarity on your current situation, and receive insightful guidance on how to navigate challenges and make empowered decisions. In the conclusion and next steps segment, we will summarize the key takeaways from our exploration of tarot for self-discovery. We will touch upon the fundamental concepts discussed and highlight the importance of introspection and intuition in tarot practice. Additionally, we will offer guidance on how you can further immerse yourself in the world of tarot to deepen your self-awareness and personal growth. By providing valuable resources and practical tips, we aim to support your continued journey with tarot, empowering you to harness its transformative potential in your quest for self-discovery.